The US athlete Florence Griffith Joyner won the 100-meter sprint gold at Seoul Olympic 1988, setting a new Olympic record of 10.54 seconds. Assume that she achieved her maximum speed in a very short time and then ran race with that speed till she crossed the line. Take her mass to be 50 kg, calculate the kinetic energy of Griffith Joyner at her full speed. Assuming that the track, the wind, etc. offered an average resistance of 1/10 of her weight, calculate the work done by the resisting force during the run. What power Griffith Joyner had to exert to maintain uniform speed? जो डिस्टेंस है S is equal to 100 meter and time taken is 10.54 second. जो यूनिफॉर्म जो स्पीड है V is S by T और 100 by 10.54 second. Mass is 50 kg, so kinetic energy will be half mv square, half into 50 into 10 by 10.54 chi square. This is 2250.40 joule. तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी होगी 2250.40 जूल. B. Assuming that the track wind offered an average kinetic resistance of 1/10 of her weight. तो वेट है उसका जॉइनर का W is equal to mg 50 into 9.8 490 न्यूटन. जो फोर्स एक्सर्टेड बाय द विंड एटसेट्रा, द एवरेज रेसिस्टेंस, रेसिस्टिंग फोर्स F is equal to 1/10 of W, 1/10 1/10 into 490 is equal to 49 Newton. जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट है, अगर सपोज ये जॉइनर है, displacement suppose in this direction and reacting for this resisting force in opposite direction, so work done will be negative. So work done by the resisting force F is equal to minus 49 into displacement S minus 49 into 100 is equal to 490 joule. Now जो पावर रिक्वायर्ड है इसको रेसिस्ट करने के लिए, इसके रेसिस्टिंग फोर्स के अगेंस्ट सेम पावर, सेम फोर्स हमें एक्सर्ट करनी होगी for constant force applied by Joyner against resisting force, that is F1, and this will be equal to 49 Newton in opposite direction of F. F. What power? The power exerted by joiner P. P will be F1 into V. F1 is 49 and V is 100 by 10.54 is equal to 464.9 watt.